What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Corvette again. So we are having another video here, and it is nights at the Hop. We're going to Ihop night meet, and it's getting later in the day. It's almost 8 o'clock, so we're gonna go check this meet out. I gotta get some gas first because I am almost on empty. So let's go ahead and put some gas in the beast here. Well, you know what I mean. But anyway, let's go ahead and put some gas, and then let's go check out the car show. All right, I've already pre-selected my stuff here, so let's go ahead. Actually, I need to open this up first. Open that up. And then let me grab my thing here, and we'll stick it in. We're good to go, and we got to get that 93, boys. Even though it's 509, but anyway, let's go ahead, start filling it up. Oh man, guys, look! Oh crap! I'm hitting the side. Look, I just ran into this. I'm being all clumsy. But look at that. Look how nice she looks. So nice. Look at that. Oh look, guys, check out, there's the moon. Way over there, the moon. Alright guys, there's another angle. Look, she's getting some gas and she looks so good and shiny and clean. Hopefully in the next month or so I'll get a couple more little add-ons for the exterior, you know, like the lights, maybe the hood decal, a few other things, interior carbon fiber. But y'all know we with the house, we're waiting for the house to be complete, so it's gonna have to wait, boys. It's gonna have to wait, but don't worry, I will get more stuff as they come. But man, guys, look how clean she looks. Wow, look at that. She is so clean. But getting that gas. We're getting that gas. Let's see where we're at so far. Oh my goodness, we're already at 70 bucks. It's gonna hit 80. I'm about to cry. I'm about to freaking cry, guys. Look at that. It's about to hit 80. I mean, she was on empty, but she needed it. She definitely needed it. Oh my gosh, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Follow my YouTube. Follow my Instagram, my TikTok. Help me out, guys. Hold on, we're gonna wait for a few seconds here. All right, guys, look, she just finished almost 16 gallons, basically 80 bucks. And I only had maybe 35 miles left until empty, so she was basically done. It was basically on empty. So at 509 for 93, almost 16 gallons, 15 and a half gallons, basically 80 bucks. So that's how much it's gonna cost to fill up a C7 if you're basically on empty. So, but we've had enough here. Let's go ahead and check out the meet. All right, we got another Camaro coming in. Pretty clean. Check it out, guys. Look, he just popped his hood. C606 sounded good when it was coming in. Oh man, look at that. That is nice. That is real nice. Check out the wheels. That looks good. Spoiler on the back. I like the yellow. Definitely makes it stand out. Z06. Another shot of the front. All right, so we got a Daytona Charger. I believe I know this guy here. It's pretty nice. A little Durango. Look at that slammed Miata. Man. 99 to 04 Mustang GT. 03 Cobra bumper. That's what I can tell for it. And then East out BMW. And a couple other stuff with the neon glow. And that. All right, we got another 9904 Mustang, and then another 5.0. Looks like this one's got a Jet Performance or JLT intake with a Boss 302 intake manifold on top, and you can kind of see that there. All right, guys, we got another Mustang 5.0 S550. It's a white one. Sounded pretty good when he was rolling up, pretty loud, like most Mustangs are. And he's moving along. And we got an older school Camaro. Got a couple of crotch rockets over here. Don't know much about bikes, but I'm sure they're fast. If we kind of pan over here, we got a looks like an Audi, white Audi, another Mustang 5.0, orange. I like that color. And a couple other stuff over here. There's another bike. Your assorted variety of different cars. And then the 350, another Camaro SS, another Mustang 5.0. I like the way that one looks. And then C6. All right, so we got a little Kia Stinger GT, I'm assuming. And then a couple of Subaru WRXs, STI, etc., etc. I like the gold wheels on this one right here. That's pretty cool. And then the different color scheme in the engine bay. That's pretty nice. And you got your white one over here. Another blue one. And there's another one right there. Oh, look at this one. Subaru STI. That is nice. He's got his kids in the back. And now the bike gang's come up. All the bikes are coming. All right, guys, look, it looks like we got a little C6 Corvette here. Black on black. I like that. Oh, boys, look, the rest of the gang's showing up. We got a Mustang 5.0, S550. And oh, that GT350. Alright, guys, we're a little bit in the dark, but I'm gonna try to make this happen with the lighting. Oh, check this out, guys. I think it's like an old school Charger or Challenger, I think. It's like it's got purple or pink paint on it. Oh, man. My goodness, someone's making popcorn if you can't hear that in the back. I think it's that black Subaru STI. Whoa, guys, check out freaking 1984 lowrider. Boys in the hood. Oh, look at that. Alright, guys, that's pretty much the video. Just a small meet, you know. I just wanted to make it real quick, so hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and this is the Corvette out, guys. Peace.